The Czech Republic, nestled in the heart of Europe, is often praised for its stunning architecture and vibrant cities. The capital city, Prague, is a treasure trove of historical landmarks, from the iconic Charles Bridge to the majestic Prague Castle. The Old Town Square, with its colourful buildings and the towering tin church, is a sight to behold, especially when viewed from above. The cityscape is a harmonious blend of Gothic, Baroque and Renaissance architecture, making it a paradise for history buffs and architecture enthusiasts alike. But beyond the bustling cityscapes lies a world of natural beauty just waiting to be explored. The Czech Republic is home to a variety of national parks and nature reserves that offer a serene escape from urban life. Bohemian Switzerland. National Park, with its dramatic sandstone formations and lush greenery, is a haven for hikers and nature lovers. The Czech countryside, with its rolling hills, dense forests and meandering rivers, provides a picturesque backdrop for outdoor activities and leisurely drives. From dramatic rock formations to rolling vineyards, the Czech Republic offers a diverse range of landscapes that will captivate any traveler. The Adrischbach Teplice rocks, with their towering sandstone pillars, are a geological wonder that attracts climbers and photographers from around the world. In Moravia, the vineyards stretch as far as the eye can see, producing some of the finest wines in the region. The rolling hills and countryside of South Bohemia are dotted with charming villages and historic castles, offering a glimpse into the country's rich cultural heritage. Whether you prefer hiking through forests, relaxing in thermal springs, or simply soaking up picturesque views, the Czech Republic has something to offer everyone. Šumava National Park, with its extensive network of hiking trails, is perfect for those who love to explore on foot. The thermal springs in Karlovy Vary provide a rejuvenating experience for those seeking relaxation and wellness. And for those who simply want to take in the beauty of the landscape, the panoramic views from hilltops and lookout points are truly breathtaking. So, pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to discover the breathtaking scenery of this enchanting country. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history enthusiast, or someone who simply loves to travel, the Czech Republic has something to offer. The country's diverse landscapes and rich cultural heritage make it a destination that appeals to all types of travelers. So don't hesitate to embark on this journey and create memories that will last a lifetime. Ready for an adventure? Let's dive into some of the most stunning scenic spots the Czech Republic has to offer. Český Krumlov, with its well-preserved medieval architecture and winding river, is a fairy tale town that transports you back in time. Podyjí National Park, with its diverse flora and fauna, offers a unique opportunity to connect with nature. The Bohemian Paradise, with its rock formations and dense forests, is a UNESCO geopark that showcases the natural beauty of the region. These destinations are sure to leave a lasting impression and create memories that will last a lifetime. Imagine watching the sunset over the Vltava River, with the sky painted in hues of orange and pink. Picture yourself enjoying a quiet moment with a loved one, taking in the serene beauty of the Czech countryside. And don't forget the vibrant autumn colors that transform the forests into a kaleidoscope of reds, oranges and yellows, making it a perfect time for a scenic drive or a leisurely walk. From charming towns to wild national parks, the Czech Republic's natural beauty is sure to leave you speechless. The town of Telk, with its Renaissance architecture and picturesque square, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that offers a glimpse into the past. Kirkenos National Park, with its rugged mountains and pristine landscapes, is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. And on a misty morning, the national parks take on an ethereal quality, with the fog creating a mystical atmosphere that is both calming and awe-inspiring. So come and experience the magic of the Czech Republic for yourself. Imagine a town straight out of a storybook, complete with a majestic castle perched above a winding river. That's Český Krumlov, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that will transport you back in time. The Vltava River loops around the town, reflecting the colorful buildings and cobblestone streets in its waters. Take a stroll through the charming Old Town, explore the sprawling castle complex, or enjoy a relaxing boat ride on the river. Don't forget to try a traditional Czech meal at one of the many restaurants lining the riverbank. Český Krumlov is a feast for the senses, offering a perfect blend of history, culture, and natural splendor. Prepare to be amazed by the otherworldly beauty of Bohemian Switzerland National Park. Located in the north of the Czech Republic, this park is home to towering sandstone formations, deep gorges, and lush forests. The park's most iconic landmark is the Pravčica Brana, a natural sandstone arch that is the largest of its kind in Europe. Lace up your hiking boots and explore the network of trails that wind through the park. Hike to panoramic viewpoints, marvel at the unique rock formations, or take a boat trip through the Edmund Gorge. Bohemian Switzerland National Park is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Known for its healing thermal springs, Karlovy Vary is a destination that has been attracting visitors for centuries. The town's reputation for wellness and rejuvenation is well-deserved, thanks to its numerous hot springs that bubble up from deep within the earth. Karlovy Vary is a spa town with a touch of elegance. Nestled in the heart of the Czech Republic, this picturesque town is surrounded by lush forests and rolling hills, making it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The town's charming streets are lined with colorful buildings, each one more beautiful than the last. The town is home to 13 main springs, each with its own unique mineral composition and purported health benefits. These springs are said to aid in digestion, improve circulation, and even help with various ailments. Visitors can take a leisurely stroll along the colonnades, where they can admire the grand architecture and take in the serene atmosphere. Each colonnade is a masterpiece in its own right, with intricate designs and stunning details that reflect the town's rich history. As you walk, you'll see people sipping from ornate drinking cups, sampling the different spring waters. These cups are not just practical, but also a beautiful souvenir to take home. Sampling the spring waters is a unique experience. Each spring has a different taste, and locals believe that drinking from these springs can bring various health benefits. The ornate drinking cups, often made of porcelain, add a touch of elegance to this ritual. For a taste of local culture, Karlovy Vary offers more than just its springs. The town is rich in traditions and offers a variety of cultural activities. From music festivals to art exhibitions, there's always something happening in this vibrant town. Try the traditional spa wafers, thin and crispy treats sold fresh from street vendors. These wafers are a local delicacy and come in various flavors, making them a perfect snack as you explore the town. Buying spa wafers from local vendors is an experience in itself. The vendors are friendly and often share stories about the town's history and traditions. These wafers are not just a treat but also a piece of Karlovy Vary's cultural heritage. Karlovy Vary also hosts the Karlovy Vary International Film Festival, one of the oldest film festivals in the world. This prestigious event attracts filmmakers, actors, and cinema enthusiasts from around the globe. The festival adds a touch of glamour to the town and offers a unique opportunity to see some of the best films from around the world. The film festival is a highlight of the year, with screenings, parties, and various activities that bring the town to life. Whether you're a film buff or just looking for some entertainment, the festival is a must-see event. Whether you're seeking relaxation, cultural immersion, or a touch of glamour, Karlovy Vary has something to offer everyone. The town's unique blend of natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture makes it a destination like no other. Karlovy Vary is sure to delight. From its healing springs to its elegant streets, this charming town offers a perfect escape for those looking to unwind and rejuvenate. So come and experience the magic of Karlovy Vary for yourself. Section 5. Rolling Hills and Vineyards, Moravian Tuscany. Discover the picturesque landscapes of Moravian Tuscany, a region in southeast Czech Republic known for its rolling hills, vineyards, and charming villages. The region's fertile soil and sunny climate make it ideal for winemaking, and the vineyards produce a variety of delicious wines. Rent a bike and cycle through the vineyards, stopping at local wineries to sample the local vintages. Explore the historic Lednice Valtis cultural landscape, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with grand palaces, romantic gardens, and picturesque ponds. Moravian Tuscany offers a taste of the Czech Republic's rural charm. Section 6. The wild beauty of Podyjí National Park. Escape to the untamed wilderness of Podyjí National Park, located on the border of Austria. This park is a haven for biodiversity, with dense forests, meandering rivers, and dramatic rock formations. The park is home to a variety of wildlife, including deer, wild boar, and over 150 species of birds. Hike or bike along the marked trails, go canoeing on the Dyje River, or simply relax and soak up the tranquility of nature. Podyjí National Park offers a chance to reconnect with the great outdoors and experience the raw beauty of the Czech Republic. Section 7. Exploring beyond the highlights. While these destinations offer a glimpse into the beauty of the Czech Republic, there are countless other scenic spots waiting to be discovered. From the rolling hills and lush forests to the serene lakes and quaint villages, the Czech Republic is a treasure trove of natural wonders and cultural riches. Venture off the beaten path and explore the hidden gems of this enchanting country. Imagine wandering through picturesque landscapes where every turn reveals a new and breathtaking view. The Czech Republic is not just about its famous landmarks, it's about the journey through its lesser-known, yet equally captivating, locales. Discover the dramatic rock formations of the Adresbach-Teplis rocks, where nature's artistry is on full display. These towering sandstone formations create a labyrinth of narrow passages and hidden corners, perfect for adventurous explorers and nature enthusiasts alike. Hike through the dense forests of the Šumava Mountains, a haven for hikers and outdoor lovers. The trails here offer a mix of challenging terrains and serene paths, leading you through some of the most pristine and untouched natural environments in the country. Or explore the caves of the Moravian Karst, a subterranean wonderland of stalactites and stalagmites. Spelunking in these ancient caves is an experience like no other, offering a glimpse into the geological history of the region. The Czech Republic is a country best explored at your own pace, taking the time to savor the beauty of each region. Whether you choose to stroll through the countryside, embark on a scenic drive, or simply relax and take in the views, each moment spent here is a chance to connect with the land and its people. Whether you prefer bustling cities, charming towns, or unspoiled nature, the Czech Republic has something to offer every traveler. From the vibrant streets of Prague to the tranquil town squares and the untouched natural landscapes, this country is a mosaic of experiences waiting to be explored. So pack your bags, set your own pace, and let the Czech Republic reveal its many wonders to you. Section 8. Share your scenic gems. Have you been to the Czech Republic? What are your favorite scenic spots? Share your travel tips and recommendations in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to discover the beauty of our world. Section 9. Stay tuned for more travel adventures. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Happy travels!